Hello and welcome to today's Curiosity Show. And to begin with, a couple of magic tricks involving sugar. Nice little cubes of sugar hygienically wrapped. Well, let's take one of those packages and put it on the back of my hand. Now, this is very special stuff, sugar. It's magic, because what I'm going to do is to unwrap that without unwrapping it. Watch carefully, not only through the package, but through my hand as well, without leaving a scar. Well, not terribly hard, I think, to see how that trick was done, but let's take those cubes and try something else. Let's bring in some magic bubbling liquid. It's really only lemonade, but it'll do the job. First of all, let me take a pen and make a mark on my hand. It's 1/2 of a cross. There we are, nice and bold like that. Now let me take one of these cubes and make the other half of the cross on that. Now this magic lemonade and magic sugar is really very special, because if I drop that in there, the sugar starts to dissolve. And that half of the X is starting to dissolve, and it's rising up in the bubbles, and I think, yes, it's coming up so fast it's vanishing. I better capture it by putting my hand on the top. Yes, the other half of the X is gone, and I think it's now trapped on my hand, and there it is. Can you work it out? Well, try it yourself. Make sure you use a water-based pen.